So I want to start with block ciphers. So let me tell you what a block cipher is. A block cipher is a building block that we use to build encryption algorithms, efficient encryption algorithms. And a block cipher, the way I think of it, is something like this. A block cipher is something that takes two inputs and produces one output. It takes as input, let's call it M for message, and it takes K for key, and it will produce an output, let's call it C. So mathematically, we could write this, the function signature for this looks something like that. And if you can't read my handwriting, what I'm saying is that the message input is a n-bit input, like let's say 128-bit input, it's a fixed length. The output is also n bits long, it's fixed length, let's say 128 bits. And the key is a fixed length, let's say 256 bits. Okay? So we will write EKM to denote the result of encrypting the message M under the key K with a block cipher. Or I might write it like this. And then you can think of the function, once I have a particular key in mind, that gives me a function that maps from n bits to n bits. Okay. Now, what are the properties we need from a block cipher? First of all, I'm going to tell you in a moment what is the requirement for security. We want encryption algorithms to be fast, so block ciphers are designed to make this a very fast operation. Computing this is very fast. And also, we need to be able to decrypt. So this has to be a reversible operation. And I'm going to talk about symmetric key cryptography today. So what symmetric key cryptography means is if I want to send you a message confidentiality, you and I need to share a secret key. We both know the secret key. Then I'm going to encrypt the message under the secret key and send that to you. And you're going to take that and you're going to decrypt it with the secret key that you also know. Okay? So that means that there has to be a way to undo this operation. There has to be a way to decrypt. So this operation, once the key is fixed, has to be reversible. Meaning this function here has to be invertible. Like it has to be a bijective function, a one-to-one function. Okay? So we also need a decryption operation, which looks just the same, that is used for reversing this. If you have the key and you have the ciphertext and output from that block cipher, then the decryption operation will give you back the M that you started with. Okay, so for correctness, we need that the decryption has to be the reverse of the encryption. All right, so that's a block cipher. Let me talk to you in a moment about how we determine what is the security criteria for a block cipher. But before I do that, I want to talk about functions and permutations.